All right, guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of the Back Shop. That last video might be a little bit long. I don't know, I haven't edited it out yet, but here we are working on this project. Again, the bar and brothel. All right, so basically we got to open up this doorway. So we're just trimming this out. Got a good amount I got to trim off here, and I'm probably going to have to sand this down even more to get this door in, because the door is a little bit wider than the opening. But I knew that, and it did not concern me. I really wish I had. I mean, I can't really say anything because it's hard for hobby shops to stock all this stuff. And I met the people at Tichy at the Amherst show. They're really nice people. They're former New Yorkers. They were smart enough to make their escape years ago and move to a free state where they can conduct their business and make money and be, profitable. Real hard to do that in New York. I mean, a little bit of a rant, but when you go back through history, there used to be a lot of model railroad companies on Long Island. A lot. I believe MDC was from Model Diecast. I think was from Long Island. There was a whole list of them. Model Power, I think, was from Long Island too, originally. Little by little, we're getting there. So what I need to do is I need to put some boards on top of there, but I'm in about the right spot right now. But I have to file down. Yeah. So I'm gonna worry about getting this to fit into. Yeah. Worry about getting the door to fit into the width of the opening nicely, and then we'll worry about the height. I'm not gluing this thing in yet. I refuse to do it. But what I need to do is I need to put. Alright, so this should go pretty quick because I'm just laying these on here real quick and I'm not really too concerned. The reason why I'm not concerned is because I'm going to shove it right on here like this, like it's supposed to be on there. I'm going to line them all up. We got this one, the opening's pretty good. Just got to adjust the height. This sill has to match that landing, so that's why we're not getting crazy, but that's pretty good. All right, so let's move to the back. Here's the windows and doors that come with the kit. I mean, that's going to be fine for the downstairs door. I just don't like it. I think this is going to look much better at the top. All right. That's the only reason why I'm doing it, because I just think it's going to look better on top. So, ladies over here for now. But these are the windows I got from Tichy's to work with. I was thinking about using these in the front, but I think they're just too big. Yeah, they're a little bit too big. And I don't think I can get that in the rear. So this one up here may be the factory window. But we're never going to know until we clear it out. I know there's a big gap there, and I want that. There's going to be white paper. Like I said, I had to seal the inside of this. I'm going to have to seal the inside of this from light. So I might print out some wallpaper and print out some old school wallpaper in there and go from there. Not 100% sure on that yet, but I'll figure it out. Secure out these front windows too. Alright, so that looks level. Now here comes the fun part. We gotta go up into this top piece. We're gonna whittle away with this. We're gonna get close, and then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna file it off. I think the top is in the right spot. I think that looks pretty damn good. I like the change, just changes it just a little bit. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so it's not that tight. Don't worry, I'm not cutting off the circulation. Get this stuff out of here. We are super close on this front one. Alright, so there's that. We got those done. I mean, not really that big of a difference, but it is a bit of a difference. I mean, I would like to have windows that open, but not for what I'm doing. Not happening on this one. So we got that. The lower ones, you really can't see the door, and so I'm not really that crazy concerned about it. That one fits in there. A little loose, but it fits. So we're going to call that good. And we're going to put that in the box down there. The door over here, we're still working on. We got the width all the way top to bottom. Pretty much done. Alright guys, so we're back. We got this door fitted. We got this rear window fitted. I found a smaller window than this, and I gotta be careful when I glue it in, because it's a little, this opening is a little wide, but it fits in this opening here, and it looks better than this. This just looks too big for a back window. I mean, look how much bigger that thing is. It's too big. It fits in there. I gotta glue it in carefully. I'm probably gonna put some paper in here on both sides of this to take up the gap, and that'll be fine. Yeah, so here we are, and we have to put the bathroom window in. That's right, there's the bathroom window going over here. I mean, if you've been following me at all, you've seen that a lot of the buildings that I've done, except for the N-scale stuff, because I don't have any N-scale Tichy. This is actually a good set of Tichy windows to get. You can find them sometimes on sale on eBay. You can get them pretty friggin' cheap on eBay. And what's nice is there's 200 pieces. So you get those 200 pieces. You got a good assortment of stuff to do. I mean, you got a good assortment of stuff to work with. There's that. All right. Let me get all these. Let me get everything out, and I'll pop everything in. And it's just going to be popped in. Nothing's going to be glued in. Just popped in. And we'll go from there. While we're at that point, doing windows and doors, let me do the bottom window. Alright, so doors are made in 2 parts. Alright, so basically, doesn't really tell you what to do, but let's start with the doors. Doors are made in 2 parts. So I'm gonna try something I wanted to try earlier and I couldn't find it. I can't do it. Not sure what color I'm gonna paint the siding on this. But that door's gonna get a stain on it. I'm probably gonna hit that with the barn in a murky brown, like I've been doing everything else. And we'll go from there with that. We'll let that dry. Now, front window. All right, so, all right, that's the window dressing. Alright guys, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video. I know the first video was ridiculously long. I'm going to end this one, I'll take some pictures and put it up on YouTube, promoting the upcoming video. All right. All right, guys, I think that's where I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to take some pictures and put them up on here for you, and we'll go from there. Once again, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button because, like I said in the one of the previous videos, I'm going to do a giveaway, and when the build is done, that's when the giveaway is going to come out. There should be about We should be starting it very shortly. I'm just waiting for all the parts to get here, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. Once again, I do appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys are having a good summer, or had a good summer by the time this comes out. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.